Okay, now that we have set up our lightning knowledge, we have some articles. Let's put them on our community cloud. So let's go ahead and do that through this trail. So we are going to go to the service setup and then go to communities and content management. And then we are going to go to topics and then navigational topics. And we are going to add these 3 topics. All right. So I'm going to copy the first one over here. Headed to our Trailhead Playground, go here, Service Setup, and then Communities, all communities, click on here, Workspaces, and we are going to go to Content Management over here. All right, go to topics at the top here. Okay, so now go to navigational topics over here. And we are going to add social groups. And then we are going to add customer support. Over here. And we are also going to add one more, new products. And add. Okay, save. So we've done the navigational topics. Now let's do the next one, feature topics. Same thing, customer support, social groups, and new products for feature topics. Feature topics here. I'm gonna go customer support, social groups, and new products, and save. Done. Now let's add images to the topics. To do that, we want to download this zip file first, and then we are going to set the images on there. Okay, I'm going to download there and open that, and we have this zip file here. So groups, header, product, support. So let's go to upload the support, and then groups for the groups, and then products for products. Okay, let's go back here and let's go to support first, upload, where was it? Downloads, I think. Here, support, I'm going to upload that, customer support, and then social group, I am going to upload that, groups, and then new products, I'm going to upload that, new products over here. And you can sort this, okay? You can change the sort. I'm going to save this first, and you can see you can change how it's sorted. So I want customer support first, customer social groups, and then that. Save, and then we're done. So we've add the thumbnails. Now add topics to article. Finally, associate these topics with the articles you created previously in the project. So go to article management over here, article management. So this guy, so how do you connect that? So click the pencil icon next to when will my bike arrive, that is customer support. When will my bike arrive? And customer support, there, save. And then second one is social. How can I find local bike groups? Okay, this one. social, and that's how you associate the articles to the topics. All right. Last one is, when is the T800 coming out? That is new products. Change that. New products. So that's it. So first you create your navigational topics and then your featured topics, and then you associate it from the article management. And we're done. Let's verify this step, and I will see you on the next. Let me click on this first. On the next one, which is add branding and components to the community. Awesomeness. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.